In this video, we're going to be discussing the things you're supposed to do at every of the phase you find yourself in the product life cycle. The first is introduction phase. When you're in the introduction phase, there are different activities that I implore that you do. As a product leader, one of the things you should focus on is your strong value proposition. Talk about your product more. Let people have the right message about your product. Let your marketing message be so strong that customers are willing to use your products. Another thing you want to focus on is your marketing. Your marketing needs to be intensified. You might want to try the market penetration techniques. If you want to understand more about market penetration, I have attached into this video description the link to ENSOF Matrix, where you'll be able to understand what market penetration strategy is all about. Another thing you should focus on at this introduction phase is building quality relationship with your customers. Also, your pricing strategy has to be top-notch, which means you need to think about your users and give them the best pricing strategy that helps them in that market at that time. An example of this is a market that has a lot of competitors and you want your product to be noticed. Maybe your product is a kind of product that is actually expensive for customers to purchase and they do not have the funds to afford this particular product. What do? You might want to try instrumental payments or different pricing strategies that helps your customer or gives you opportunity to gather more customers on your side. When you have the growth phase, there are things you need to focus on as a product leader. Number one is to ensure you have a better pricing strategy towards profitability. Now that you have done a lot trying to gather customer by reducing your pricing, you might want to focus more on profitability at this time. You need to increase your market share so you have enough to sustain your product in the market. Another thing to focus on is optimizing your sales and distribution, because you need to open more channels for distribution so you can serve more customers. At this time, competitors are coming and they want to enter the same market or even neighboring markets. You need to start optimizing your distribution channels so you can serve as much as possible potential customers. Also, you should optimize or intensify marketing efforts. Customers or potential customer needs to keep hearing about your products for better acquisition. At the maturity phase, one of the things you want to focus on is actually expanding your product lines. Product lines in the sense of you have a product and you have other products. Something you can do could be a suit brand that wants to leave just that market of making suits. You want to sell related product to your customer. Because it is at the maturity phase, a lot of competitors are already coming into your products. It is better to actually put those customers and give them other products that they might need. An example of this is actually corporate footwears that they would need at that time. You sell a piece of suit to these customers and you complement it with the shoe. You might want to go into bundling as well. This would help you retain your loyal customers and also bring other customers from your competitors who are saying that you keep them through discounts. Discount is a way to bring customer and keep customers' loyalty. Something else you can focus on as well is referral system. Ensure to leverage your existing customer to bring in new customers through referral system. Reward your existing customers as well from this referral. Also, from the ENSOF Matrix, it also says you can do more on product development by improving your product consistently or making it look new at every time. An example of this is the entire industry where they had new formulas every single time and they tell you new. The word new is to actually attract you as the customer they've always had and see like, okay, if I see new, I think I can get into this product at this time and use it. Who knows, maybe it's somewhat better than the previous. Now the last phase, which is the decline phase. Honestly, this particular phase is actually challenging for most companies. Sales data is really low and competitors are leaving that market at that time. What exactly should you do? You might want to consider pivoting. What is pivoting? Pivoting means leaving the current products that you're currently working on and moving into another product. Ensure you leverage your customer base. You do not want to lose that customer base that you have. They've been loyal to you over the years. You keep their data and you give related products. Sometimes it may not be related, but the advice is to leverage your existing customer base and do something else. Maybe you want to leave the suit making totally into making of corporate wears or even another type of clothes that you know those people would really want as well. If this video has helped you as a product manager or a product enthusiast, you should like, share, comment, and also subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll always receive new videos from me as I post here. Thank you and bye for now.